Thank you for watching our solutions tutorial on how to pull a report of parcels with particular codes. If you're an assessor, you'll go into Parcel Maintenance, click on Subset, where you'll find a list of codes. If you're an auditor, you'll go to Real Estate, Parcel Maintenance, Subset, where you'll find the same list of codes. I'm going to choose an app code, DVH. You can double click or enter one. You'll see that DVH has now filled in. You can choose your date range if you'd like and click Submit. You'll see that there's a list of 10 parcels. You can go ahead and click Print, choose the printer you'd like, Submit. You have a report of all the parcels with Disabled Veterans Homestead applications on them. You'll see the count is 10. You now know how to pull a report of parcels with particular codes on them. Thank you for watching.